Here's how to transfer Starlink ownership in just 3 minutes. Today I will show you in a step-by-step guide how to check the 120-day rule, remove your Starlink kit, and prepare it for the new owner. First, check the transfer waiting period before changing anything. Starlink requires either 120 days from purchase or 90 days from activation, whichever comes first. Your service must also remain active for 90 days from activation. The kit must be purchased, not rented, and your account must have no outstanding balance. Next, sign into your Starlink account at starlink.com. You'll see your account dashboard. Then select Subscriptions and choose the Starlink subscription connected to the kit you're transferring. After that, click Manage, then select Cancel Service. The cancellation flow will appear for that service line. Once the service is cancelled, open Devices and find the Starlink kit you want to transfer. Now click Transfer and review the confirmation message. Starlink will warn that the kit will be permanently removed from your current account. Confirm the transfer if all requirements are met. Next, enter the new owner's email address if you want Starlink to send them an activation link. Then factory reset the Starlink router before handing it over. Once that's done, give the new owner every item included with the kit, along with the Starlink identifier needed for activation. If you don't see this option, there's another way. First, confirm the 120-day or 90-day waiting period has passed, then check that your account has no balance and the kit isn't rented. Also confirm service is available at the new owner's location. If everything qualifies and transfer is still missing, contact Starlink support and provide proof of purchase. One common problem is trying to transfer too early. If fewer than 120 days have passed since purchase and fewer than 90 days since activation, check which qualifying date comes first before trying again. Once everything is set, the Starlink kit will be removed from your account and the new owner can activate it using the identifier or activation link. Following these simple steps makes how to transfer Starlink ownership quick and easy.